Hello everybody, this is Siddhika and welcome to SDK Garden. As I promised yesterday, today I'm with another episode of Quarantine Gardening. Grow from Kitchen. By title and with thumbnail, you can see what we're gonna do today. What is it? Yeah, that is spring onion propagation. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to grow spring onion easily at your home and from your kitchen. So let's get started. Spring onion is just an onion at growing stage. It is very easy to grow, not much space needed. So first method is growing from spring onion cuttings. Take few spring onions which are available in your kitchen and cut it at the base for 1 to 2 inches height. Take a glass and pour some drinking water for ½ inch and keep the cuttings in the water container. Do not keep the water container directly to the sunlight, but just give indirect sunlight for 2-3 days. Spring onions are grow really fast. Sometimes you can see new growth in one night. Anyway, moving on to next method. So the second one is growing from onion root cuttings. I'm sure you can definitely try this because this does not need much efforts. This little onion waste can be turned to spring onion and you can have multiple harvests. Just take the onion root cutting waste and put it in a water bowl such that the roots touches the water and keep it in dry area. When you see green growth middle of the onion, you can transfer to soil and have lots of harvests. So exciting, right? And the third method is growing directly from onions. Take few onions that are available in your kitchen. This is optional to cut the top of it. You can directly propagate it as it is. And here I took small onions. We call this sambar onions, right? You can also try the same with normal big onions as well. And you don't have to use water propagation in this method. Just directly putting this onion in the soil works the same. And I'm gonna try dry propagation with this method. So I'm taking an egg holder and filling onions in the gaps and just watering it. So new roots will grow with the moisture in air because I added water to egg holder. So you can also keep the onion in water and do the same thing. Change the water frequently, that is every day or alternative day. If you're propagating in soil, keep the soil moist to grow new roots at the base. And in a week, when you notice new roots or new growth, transfer the plants to soil and water the soil every day. Make sure to choose drainage hole container so the excess water will drain through it. Slowly move the pot to sunny area. Then the leaf will start turning to green. If you see the leaf turning to yellow or brown, that means you can harvest spring onions. And wait, leave the plant as it is because this will grow spring onion again and again. It's infinite. So that is it for spring onions, and we'll see you tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. with third episode of Quarantine Gardening. Please leave your pics and doubts in Instagram at SDK Garden. Like and share if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you.